Gander the Goose returns. He wants to grab those yummy eggs in the farm. And Rooster Rocco gets alert to use his martial arts skills. Gander gets into karate mode as well. After a zip-zap face-off with Gander the Goose, Rooster Rocco decides to use the ultimate karate move. He packs in some more exercise by lifting up the big weight in front of him a couple of times. Oh wow, kids! Rooster Rocco gets double the power now. His R sign is glowing again. Rooster Rocco jumps up high and does a karate flip. Seeing Rooster Rocco's ultimate karate flip, the goose gets scared and flies away from the farm. Rooster Rocco is truly the ultimate protector of the farm. So kids, just like Super Rooster Rocco, you have got powers inside you to do anything you want. Just keep calm and believe in yourself.